Hey guys! Welcome back. Let's say you wanted to shoot a video. So you hit record and the camera starts rolling. You were feeling confident, the lighting was perfect, and the audio was on point. But as soon as you finished shooting, you quickly realized that the footage was out of focus and it's all a blurry mess. In this video, we are going to talk about HitPaw Video Enhancer, an AI-powered program that you can use to save those blurry footages. Before we begin, I would like to thank our friends from HitPaw for reaching out to us and sponsoring this video. And if you love watching unboxing videos, tutorials, and informative videos like this one, make sure to subscribe because I upload exciting and helpful videos regularly. Let's check out their official website, which is at www.hitpaw.net. Okay. Now that we're here, you will see that they also have a bunch of interesting stuffs that you can check out. We have the HitPaw Video Converter, HitPaw AI Photo Enhancer, and of course, the HitPaw AI Video Enhancer. But for this particular video, we are going to focus on discussing all the features and everything you can do with the HitPaw AI Video Enhancer tool. So this is the main interface of our HitPaw Video Enhancer tool. And at the top, we have a couple of suggested features you can try. But if you don't have anything in mind at the moment, you can just browse through all of these available templates below. We have a dedicated AI toolbox, black and white video, and watermark removal feature to name a few. So let's try the Video Enhancer tool. There's a built-in drag and drop option, but you can also click on this and select the file you'd like to use in your folders. So we're using this 52-second video, and this is an unboxing video that I've uploaded before. And what's great about this software is that we can easily trim the parts that we don't need by just clicking on this icon. So let's just drag this one here, and after that, you may click on this icon to save your file. Okay. Now we have a 15-second video clip instead of the entire 52 seconds from before. So we have a couple of AI tools that we can use, like the general denoise level that removes noise in videos. It also has this feature called the detail recovery model to fix those blurry parts. Next is this video clarity repair model to make your videos clearer and more natural. This also has a dedicated animation model if you want to edit animated videos. It even has a colorized model so you can add colors to black and white videos. Another feature is the color enhancement model. You can use this if you want to make the colors of your videos more vibrant and realistic. Moving on to the next feature, we have the frame rate enhancement model, which allows you to enhance the frame rate of your videos from 2 times or even 4 times. Then here, we have the stabilize model, and you may use this to eliminate video shake. Next is the low light enhancement model, which is designed specifically for night shooting scenarios. We also have a face model option, and in this feature, you can use the soften mode to enhance the brightness and skin texture of your facial details. But what I'd like to do is to use this sharpen mode to highlight my facial features and improve the overall facial clarity in the video. By clicking on the preview button, you can see a side-by-side comparison of the original 720p version on the left and the now edited 4K version of the face sharpen model on the right. By using the preview mode, we can easily compare and see for ourselves how everything turned out before exporting the whole thing, which might be time consuming if you are exporting 20 to 30 minute videos. Looking at this preview using the face sharpen model, we can clearly see that there has been a drastic improvement in the video quality. My facial features are sharper, even my hair strands look more prominent and overall details are more distinct. Once you're satisfied with the results, we can click the export button. But since I wanna tweak some settings first, let's just click exit for now. Within the export settings, we can select to customize the resolution from 720p, 1080p to 4K. We can also choose the bitrate, the format, and to which folder you'd like to save it. Then just click on export once you are done. If you'd ask me, I'd say that I'm really satisfied with the results. If you're a content creator like me, or if you are someone who edits videos regularly, the HitPaw Video Enhancer can really come in handy. But for the average users, unless you're really into editing your personal videos before uploading them, then I don't see you using this tool on a daily basis. Like I mentioned earlier, editing a 10-minute video can take you an hour or more to export. But since this software is easy to use, you can just hit export, then leave it running on the background. If you're interested in purchasing the HitPaw Video Enhancer, you can check the description box as well as the pinned comments because they are having a massive sale right now which can save you up to 50% off just by clicking on the links below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions and suggestions for our next video, just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you in the next one.